The lockdown of 26 million people in Shanghai has been extended indefinitely until the latest Omicron outbreak is under control. Under the zero-COVID policy of the government, the Phase 2 citywide lockdown was implemented and initially set to end on April 5. However, number of confirmed cases reached a recorded high of 17,077 cases at the scheduled end date, thus the city decided on another round of universal testing. According to the latest report by Human Rights Watch, the city is in chaos as lots of residents are running out of food, could not get the necessary health care they need, and access to basic everyday goods have been very challenging. Yet these realities are censored on social media. Disrupted food access. The lockdown disrupted the city's logistical supply chain, which sustains the basic needs of the 26 million residents of Shanghai. Complaints on food starvation and not receiving any rations, and inaccessibility to go to stores are all over the social media, hoping to be heard. In some quarantine facilities and centers, asymptomatic patients are fighting for food and survival as there are not enough workers to maintain order and distribute food accordingly. More conflicts surfaced as residents were caught attempting to evade the lockdown in search of food. Authorities claim that there have been zero COVID-related deaths in the current wave of outbreaks in Shanghai, but the reality on the ground seems to contradict the claim. A now censored report from Caixin shows that 20 elderly people died in a caring facility in Shanghai in the current wave of outbreaks. Some workers and the elderly tested positive for COVID-19 in the facility. Non-COVID-related deaths surpassed the COVID-related deaths as hospitals suffered from lack of healthcare workers to attend to other sick patients. Hospitals rejected patients in need of emergency care because they did not have a 24-hour negative PCR result. Children were separated from their parents in some quarantine arrangements, which is a violation of the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. Despite all the rage and frustration, there is no sign that the lockdown will end soon. More than 10,000 workers, including military personnel, have been deployed from other provinces to assist with the lockdown. Meantime, drones and robot dogs have been seen roaming around the city, urging people to comply with the restrictions and follow protocols. While social media platforms have loosened their censorship on individual messages calling for help, sharp criticisms of government policy are still being censored.
If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you in our next videos.